All right, let's jump right in. We're going to talk about something huge today. How in the world do you carve out a real standout career in artificial intelligence? It's moving so fast, so let's figure out how to keep up.
You see it everywhere, right? The AI field is just blowing up. And while that means there's a ton of opportunity, it also means there's a ton of noise. The competition is getting fierce. So how do you, in the middle of all that, actually stand out? How do you get noticed?
And that's the real kicker. It's not that jobs aren't out there. They are. The hard part is proving you've got the goods. You have to show that you have real, credible expertise. And that's a tough spot to be in, whether you're just trying to break in or you're a leader trying to stay on top.
So what's the solution? Well, today we're looking at one platform that's built specifically to tackle this problem head-on. It's called AI Unraveled. Let's dig into how it works.
It was put together by Etienne Newman, and the whole idea, the core mission, is to demystify AI, to basically cut through all the confusing jargon and make it something you can actually grasp and use. And this is what I think is kind of cool. When you look at who's behind it, you see these two sides. On one hand, you've got the expert, a senior engineer, someone with serious technical chops. But on the other hand, the mentor, a passionate soccer dad from Canada. It's that mix of being super knowledgeable, but also really relatable and down to earth that seems to be the whole vibe here. Okay, so AI Unraveled really breaks this down into two clear pathways. Let's talk about the first one, which is for all you builders out there, it's all about getting your hands dirty and, building, testing, and getting your skills certified. Think about it. In a field this crowded, having a certification is like a stamp of approval that everyone recognizes. It's hard proof that you know your stuff, and let's be honest, that can be a game changer when you're gunning for a promotion or a raise. And here's the toolkit to get you there. The platform offers these prep guides, and you can get them as ebooks or even audiobooks. They're specifically for the big name industry search. We're talking Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and AWS, the heavy hitters. But passing a test is one thing. The real magic, the real expertise happens when you actually start building things. So the next step is taking that knowledge from the page and turning it into something real. And that's exactly what the AI Unraveled Builder's Toolkit is for. Seriously, think of it as your all-in-one box of goodies for getting hands-on. It's designed to get you from zero to actually creating something with AI as fast as possible. And when you peek inside the toolkit, you can see it's built for how people actually learn. Maybe you're someone who likes to read detailed guides, or maybe you'd rather listen to something on your commute. Or hey, maybe you need to see it to believe it with video tutorials. It looks like they've got you covered no matter what.
All right, let's switch gears. That was for the builders, now for the second pathway. This one's different. It's aimed at the people who are already innovating in AI. The tech leaders, the decision makers who want to, turn up the volume on their own voice and ideas.
So this is basically a direct call out. It's an open invitation for people who are on the front lines of AI to step up and share what they know with an audience that's genuinely eager to hear it. And they're not just calling it a sponsorship. It's framed as a thought leadership partnership. And that's a key difference. It's a strategic move to plant your flag, to share your vision for the future of AI, and really shape the conversation. And the benefits are pretty obvious, right? You get to connect directly with this focused audience of AI pros and researchers. It's a platform to show off your latest work, share your big ideas, and really cement your reputation as a go-to leader in the space. So, for any of you innovators out there listening, if you're feeling ready to step up and share that vision, well, here you go. This is your direct call to action to apply and get involved. So, we've just walked through two very different roads you can take. One is all about building your skills from the ground up. The other is about taking the authority you already have and making it even bigger. Now, you've got to figure out your next move. And it really does boil down to this simple choice. It all depends on your goals right now. Are you a builder? Then your path is the certification guides and that builder's toolkit. Are you a leader? Then the thought leadership partnership is your lane. Two clear paths, one platform. And the best part? You don't have to go hunting for any of this.
Every single thing we've talked about, the guides, the toolkit, the application, it's all waiting for you at one central spot, jamgatetech.com. Plus, the guides are on Shopify and Google Playbooks, which is super convenient.
So we'll end with this question, and it's really a question for you. Your future in AI is right there, waiting. The paths are clear. So what's it going to be? Are you going to be the one building the skills to create the future? Or are you going to be the one leading the conversation? The choice is yours.